This is the first task. Public class B, public class B, and displays a method we have. And in the main method, see, we know that program execution will be starts from main method. Class B object we are creating for this class B. B obj is the object for the class B. Now it is going to be call this particular method, calling the method with the help of object reference. This is one way, and this is the other way. Only by using this reference, only by using the reference, we are calling the method. Both the things will work. See, two times it's calling the display method. Because of that, we are going to get the information as display some message. Two times it is going to be printed. I'll show you that example. Public static void main also I'll take here. The void display, and I'll be writing some content over here. Just a SOP statement I'll write, and some method implementation, some method called for this particular class. I'm going to be create the object. For this particular class, I'll be creating the object. This is the object I have created for the class. Now, with the help of T1, I can able to call the display method. I can able to call the display method, and by using this reference, I can able to call this as well. It is suggesting to access that method. So when we are executing this, first it is going to call this particular method. It is going to print this information from method call, and again with the help of this, we are going to be call this particular method. So here two times some method call we are going to get. Method call some method times. Okay. So the other task we'll see. As then the public required. The same functionality I'll take which I've given for the task. Method 1, hello will print. Method 2, hi, it is going to be print. Void method 1 has to be print hello. Then we are writing one more method, that is method 2. Method 2. Here we are going to be print hi. For this particular class, I'm going to be create the object now. So let me construct object name is T2, and we are calling this T2 dot method 1 I'm calling T2 dot method 2 I'm calling. See here, calling the method by object, calling the method by using object. And now here new task dot method 1 task dot method 2. We are calling the methods by using reference. Calling the method by using reference. See, now we are creating the object for the class. By using T2, it is going to be called this method By using T2, it is going to be called this method 1. It is going to be print hello. And by using T2, it is going to be called method 2. It is going to be print hi. It is going to be print hi. Okay. So for differentiating that result, we'll be giving something. Now, see, here again, we are calling the method 1. After printing this tag for separating the previously what the methods we are calling by using the objects, and the second we are going to be calling these two methods by using the reference. See, hello, hi, and the dash, hello, hi, we are going to get. Hello, hi, hello, hi. Okay. Asmita, previously we have checked about this. So it is not worked, but now we are
Yes.
getting checked once.
Okay, sir.
Next, task 3. We have the class name as B. We have method 1. We have method 2. Method 3. Method 4. So what is happening here? First, it is going to be comes the execution with the main method. It is going to become the execution with the main method. When it will comes the execution for the main method, first it is going to be created the object here. With the help of this object, it is going to be called method 3. Yeah. So method 3 it is calling here. Method 3 it is calling here. What is the values we have? What is the 5 and 2 we have? For method 3, 5 and we are having here. So here 5, 5, okay, 5. Now here system.out.println, first it is going to be print. Yeah. First it is going to be give x into y. X value is 5 we have. Y value is 2 we have. In that particular case, 5 into 2, 10 it is going to get. Then we are having the object here for the class B, BOBJ. See, after this, what we are going to do, we'll see. Now, in this particular line, we have object is created. Next, it is going to be print the value of y. Value of y, how much we have? 2. Next, it is calling with the help of POG object. Method 2 it is calling, and we are providing the argument as 1. Okay. Method 2. We have passed the argument as 1 here. We have passed the argument as 1. Now, x is having the value 1. We have created the object for the class system.out.println x we have. So it is going to be print the value 1. Next, we are calling the method 10, 10. So method 1, 10, 10 we are passing. Method 10, 10, 10 we are calling. See, now a value is 10, b value is 10. A minus a a minus a minus 1. What is the a minus 1 we have here? 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. Next, b value, how much we have? 10. B value, how much we have? 10. So then it is going to be called this particular method 10 to method 4. Method 4. 10 to 2. 10 plus 2, 12, 10 divided by 2, 5, 10 minus 2, 8, 10 into 2, 20. We are getting this. We are getting this. So we'll be checking the output whether we got the same thing or not. We'll check this. Observe one statement here, it is not executed. One statement here, it is not executed. This statement. See, method 1 we have called, then automatically it is going to call the particular method. From there, we have the other method call there. Then what we have for getting? Nothing is there. So we'll see what will happen. Task, task. Also call this. Right. Third one. Int A. Task 3. New class. SP. A minus 1. Next, it is going to be called T3 dot third 4, third 10, 2. We declare the third 4. Void third 4. 3 arguments we have to pass out. 3 arguments we have to int A, comma, int B, int A, int B, int C. Now what will happen here? Since we are writing A plus B, A divided by C. Some SOP statement, some logic I am writing. A plus B, A plus A minus B. Same example we'll take because again our analysis output we need to get same. A divided by A minus B. A into A into B. These are task performance. So then apart with that we have a method 2, method 3 also. Void method 2, void method 2, int class 3. What they have fun list? A minus 1. X value we have value we have here. After printing the X value, we are calling method 1. Dot method 1. We are passing 10 comma 10 as the argument. 10 comma 10 are the arguments. Plus 9. So half statement will not work. Then half method 3 as well. Void method 3. Void method 3. Void the value of 5. T3 dot method 2 of 1. So first we are going to call the method 3. T3 dot method 3. Method 3. Many values you have to pass. The same values are 5. It is calling method 3. It is calling method 3 5 comma 2 if I'm picking. X y. Ten, 2, 1, 9, 10, 12, 5, 8, and the last we are going to get this. This last we are going to get. What is the X value here we have? X value we have taken 9. With 10, 90, 5. No, no. See, for this method 2 we are calling. Method 2 we are calling. There is a method 2 calling statement. This is a 1. X value is 1. X value is 1. See here, X value is 1 we have. Method 2 calling statement is here. Method 2 calling. Method 2 calling is here. By passing the argument 1 is going to be assigned to X. X plus 9, we are getting 10. At last, that statement to be executed. There's the output we are going to get. See here, what is happening? Calling method 3, calling method, calling method, calling something. One calling, method 4 calling here. So based on that, it is going to be performed. After analyzing the code, you have to verify as per the output we got or not. Any doubt in this logic? Please speak there. Next, task 4 we'll see. Yeah. Class A, method 1 we have. Take this to the down page. Task 4 we have class A, method 1, method 2 have been created. So we'll be having the return statement over here. And for that class, we have created the object and the same task we are going to call. We'll analyze manually. First class A object is created. When it is going to be have the class A object, it is going to be called the method 1. It is going to be called the method 1. There is no arguments here. So then it is going to be print first method 1 called. And if you see here, int is the return type we have. Int is a return type we have. If we have int as a return type, we should write return some value. Either it is zero or any value, that value has to be written. Any value to return, at least we have to return zero when we are using int. Okay. Now this 100 is going to be assigned to this particular one. X will be having 100 now. X will be having 100 now. So then X value, it is going to be get printed. X value is printed. Method 1 called. After printing that, the result will be assigned to the X. The next statement, X value is going to print. What is the X value? 100. Now, next statement, X minus 99. 100 minus 99, 1. Next, we have method 2 and we have arguments as 5, 4. So A value is 5, B value is 4, and it will enter into this. First logic, it is going to be start execution. Method 2 called. Method 2 called. After that, it is going to be written the value A plus B. A value is 5, B value is 4 we have. It is going to be written that values 5 and 4. It is going to be gives back to the calling statement. This is a method 1 calling. This is a to calling. Method 2 calling. Y value 5 plus 9 is going to get the y value. So 9 is the y value. Y value 9, x minus y, x minus y, minus y. X value is 1. Sorry. X value is 100. X value is 100. 100 minus 9. 91 we are going to get here. 91 we are getting. X value is 100 we have. Y value is 9 we have. It is going to be print this particular value. Okay. We'll check this code. First, I create the object for this. It is not mandatory. Create that object first. That is a it should be there in the program because of that. Okay. What is the purpose of return statement? We are calling the function. That method is then definitely we should write the return statement to the function calling statement. If there is no value, then as per the at least is the return. Why not use the int return type? Sorry, while if I'm using a return type, we should not use method 1, int method 1, method 1 called, method 1 called. Here we are getting the error. I forgot to uh, pass the arguments here. If I'm not passing arguments also, add return statement. It is going to be written some 100. That will come. Here it has to be written the value. That returns plus B value I'm going to be written. A plus B value I'm writing here. So this is SOP statement method to call with the SOP statement method to call. Now see here. See first, as per manually, when we have done this, we are getting the same or not. Method 1 called x value is 100, 1. Method 2 called y value 9, 91. So like that, then only line what is happening here. First, in the learning stage, instead of writing the examples correctly on our own, if we understand the logic which is what is happening in each and every line, that is what we call as a debugging. We are discussing this debugging manually, but step by step. Here, approximately how many lines of code we have? Hardly 30 lines of code. Hardly. So mostly I can say 25 lines of code. So here I can able to understand easily each step. I can analyze quickly. And if you see here, how many lines of code we have? Around 40 lines of code. Now run it easy. When we are writing some more number of lines instructions, then definitely we should we cannot able to understand it manually. We have to perform the debugging process. That we are going for interview, they will ask what is the debugging process. Explain the steps of debugging process. If you are feeling that the particular code you will be having the debugging, how you are going to perform the debugging process. The coming as of now, if you have any doubt, we can ask. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.